Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to this channel, welcome, and remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Today I just want to create this easy abstract background, this colorful background, so stick around if you want to see the creation process. So as usual, I'm gonna speed up the process, and remember you can always reduce the speed and follow along, so it's gonna be very easy. All I'm doing is using one brush because some days I have those lazy days, and recently they've been frequent. I'm not sure why, maybe because I'm not getting many viewers, but I don't want to get to a stage where the viewers are affecting my creation process. And I don't want to have to feel like I'm rushing to create a video. I want to be able to enjoy my YouTube channel because, you know, when I started creating, I just used to create for fun, and creating backgrounds are one of the things I really enjoy doing. So it being an abstract background, I'm gonna use it for my stock images, and a lot of my abstract backgrounds sell a lot. So this is just one of the easy creations that I turn into many different variations. So I play around with colors, and the reason I love abstract is because of, you know, abstract is kind of like a relaxing peace of mind state of the art, because I'm not really thinking a lot about what goes into the creation process. I'm just designing because I can, and I love the end result, which is usually like a surprise to even me myself as a creator, because I'm playing around with the colors and I want to see how they match together and how much of the created final art piece I can create from the actual work. So enjoy the creation process. Remember, you can slow down the process if you want to see what I'm exactly doing, and if you want to replicate the work as well. But I would advise you to create your own piece of work, because I'm just using the brush tool and I'm just playing around with different forms of the brush by creating curls and waves of the brush. So enjoy the music and see you at the end of the video, the exit. So back again, just wanted to say that after creating the final piece, I was able to do variations by adding the color, playing around with textures by increasing the Gaussian blur or blurriness, and adding different colors for different effects of texture. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. See you in the next one.